Sir.
Yes.
Sure, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Harshita Singh, cannot hear you. Please check it, sister. Please check it. Harshita Singh, please check, please. Please help me. Please. Yeah. Agenda for today's class. What is database? Why we need it? What are our job options? What are our job roles? What we actually learn in our classes. We'll start from the basics carefully. Let's get started now. And this is Sai Panindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practice-oriented classes, right from the scratch, right from the basics. And our classes would be going this way. We are into introduction today, followed by the notes and assignment in your emails. Then installation next, followed by questions, and you'll submit your answers, get my answers back. Next. Then we have basics of SQL. We'll take it slowly. After we learn SQL basics, then we shall proceed for Excel imports, importing data. So for this reason, in our introduction today and our installation tomorrow, we need to compare Excel with the database for easy, useful, interested learning. Let's make it interesting. We are aware of Excel. Basics of Excel enough. Means we can happily step into database. Excel is the basement for learning database in a lot of ways. We'll experience them throughout the course. After we step into initial basics of SQL, comes something called DBMS and RDBMS concepts in our classes. Then comes basic query tuning concepts, queries, joins, something called view, procedure, function, triggers, synonyms, CTE, cursors, transactions, and detailed architecture. So here it is, our SQL concepts. Our SQL concepts, the topic-wise list will be like this. Total 24 concepts. 24 concepts and 400 plus queries and 6 scenarios. We have university scenario, e-commerce scenario, Medicare scenario, etc. 6 scenarios. Online reservation scenario, online banking scenario, etc. And 3 real-time case studies. Together, our actual course. Let's understand slowly more about this item, what we are going to learn and why, how, and how it is going to be useful for our day-to-day job desk. Here it is. We are into the database introduction part today. Let's see what it is. Database, a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data fully secured. DBMS, database management system, a software to store, secure, manage databases. Example DBMS like SQL Server, IBM DB2, MySQL, Oracle, Sybase, so on. What is it? Database, a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data fully secure. DBMS, database management system, a software to store, secure, manage databases. Example DBMS like SQL Server, IBM DB2, MySQL, Sybase, etc., etc. Different companies came with different brands of DBMS in the market. One such brand from Microsoft SQL Server, our new friend from tomorrow. It's a software we are going to install in the very next chapter, and then slowly start with SQL concepts practically. It is cheaper, easy to use, free technical support and free updates. Supports any cloud platform. Cloud means a remote storage area. From here, two basic types of databases we should be aware of. OLTP, data warehouse. There are multiple other types of databases. At start level, these two are the basic types of databases. OLTP, online transaction processing databases, to store live real-time data like live cricket match, live online banking, live stock market, anything live. OLTP. Data warehouse databases, to store historical data, old temperature data, stock market, anything old, anything historical warehouse. Why we are learning this today? Our job role. Let's step into our actual job role. What we do here. That is important. Very simple and straight. What is it we are learning again slowly? What is database? And we see on the screen types of database. Okay, types of databases. Observe carefully. Yes, there are multiple types of databases. We are into something called OLTP and data warehouse databases. Now the question, how they are connected to each other in a project work in real world. Any BI, business intelligence model, we see OLTP, live online transaction processing databases, and sometimes even we store data in files like Excel, PDF, CSV, etc. We can bring data from multiple sources into a warehouse. What is warehouse again? Previous slide. Warehouse is a historical storage area. Our house has a living room and a store room. Our city has showrooms and godowns. More showrooms, less godowns. Same thing here. More rooms and less number of store rooms. Here more number of OLTP, comparatively less number of warehouse. Because we accumulate the data, we consolidate the data, we bring data together into warehouse. Who is going to bring it together here? The valet parking service is ETL. The valet parking service is ETL, extract, transform, load. Now the question, why we are seeing this screen today? We are into database introduction. Purpose, reason, job roles. Database developers will be involved in design of operational or enterprise databases. Data engineers will be involved in design of ETL and data warehouse structures. Analysts, analysis and reporting. Data science, data mining activities. So for everyone, any one common basement, our SQL classes from tomorrow. We'll start from the scratch, step by step in a meaningful way. My duty to spark interest on technology inside you. That's my duty. To carry forward the spark, to light it carefully in your hands and my hands together. We'll do it in an interesting and easier way. We are not learning like exercise. No, no, no. We enjoying it like a weekend buffet. We will do it regular classes Monday to Friday. And you enjoy more if you submit me more. Really. More you do, more subject will do for you automatically. I will take care of it. Database concepts, MSSQL, TSQL queries, minimum 400 queries for everyone. We submit on time. We are interactive in the class. We practice more. We get more and more. Please. Next, after this basement comes, after this common basement comes one pillar, developer job role. It is mainly for programming, coding. If you are fond of coding, then you go for developer course. If you have some prior knowledge of programming like C, Java, .NET, Python, then damn sure you may opt for it if you are looking for it. If we are looking for ETL, data warehousing, big data, then data engineering. It's into big data activities. Data analyst, reporting. Data science, which is built on top of data analyst for the purpose of analysis, machine learning, something called deep learning, and we have additional entities with respect to AI or programming, and we have few other elements as well pertaining to Scala, Spark, PySpark, etc. Now with this information, what we are learning again slowly, what is database? Database is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, no exceptions at all. Remember, no exceptions. And there are different types of databases. We are into OLTP database to start with for yellow box from tomorrow. Today it's all about introduction. Tomorrow we are going to start the classes. After initial basement, you are proceeding for engineering or analyst or data science, but you will decide it now itself, because let me tell you why. We have separate orientation items and the task items. For example, we take something called joins. Okay, assume we take one chapter called joins. From joins we have task items. The task items for developers will be different for data analysts, will be different for data engineers, will be different for developers, and will for admins. It all depends. Usually it's common task items for data analysts and data scientists from our classes. For developers, engineers, the tasks are a bit different. For example, you have something called stored procedures. Data engineers need to have stored procedures for ETL perspective. Data analysts should have procedures for reporting perspective. Developers have procedures for both. It depends. I repeat again, friends, the way we learn is very, very important. We cannot simply see a book and learn. No, it won't work. Assume there is a concept called procedures. We have one example for reporting. See here, like this, one example for reporting. Data analysts and report developers, data scientists, etc. One more example immediately for validations and DML activities, data engineering and developers. So our job roles and our examples should match. Accordingly, task items should carry forward that job orientation. A DBA need to have a view for row level security. Data analyst need to have a view for reporting. It all depends. So we have easy analysis and data analyst, and easy administration, something called row level security. Every object, every concept, remember it's like a chemistry class. Every concept has its own purpose. We need to understand that purpose towards our job and resume. So please, my kind request, plan your resume carefully first. Then proceed for the course. Sometimes we see some attendees saying, Sai, we'll go for SQL first, later we decide. You can, but what about these items? You'll be missing them in line with the course. We cannot think theoretically. It's not a ERP course like SAP. It's not a history class. It's a chemistry class. We need it, please. I need your support. And I was telling, a house has rooms, living room, store room, and that is our journey from tomorrow. We are going to install SQL Server first, slowly step into SQL basics to start with living room. Later, you data warehouse for engineering. Azure data engineering involves something called ETL, warehouse, analytics, big data with Microsoft products, open source products, data engineering. But every product requires our SQL. Data analyst involves something called SQL, Excel, Power BI, Python. All these, they need it. But again, at the end of the day, all these items directly, not even indirectly, directly related to, dependent on SQL. Remember that. So we need it. Or you may plan for other important one. You may plan for data science. It includes data analytics and data science activities. Here is the component pool, component list. SQL, Excel, Tableau, Power BI, branded items, dedicated stage for Python and Spark or programming, deep learning, statistical analysis and generative AI. So it all depends. Let's orient ourselves with SQL to start with. What is SQL? Structured query language. A platform to communicate with any database, every database. From day after tomorrow, we are going to step into SQL. Tomorrow, we need to do the installations. To talk to database, we need SQL. To read and write to database, we need SQL. To manage database, to report and analyze database, we need SQL. Simple, simple. Every touch on database needs SQL. That is the bottom line. Database, SQL, how they are related? SQL is a tag, it's a title. Every touch on database needs SQL is a tagline, as simple as that. To touch a database, we need SQL. So we need SQL for developers, administrators, data scientists, machine learning, engineers, analysts, anyone, everyone. We need SQL. Remember that. With this information, now, where to start with? Yes, we need to start with installation first. Tomorrow's agenda. Just like iPhone 12, 13, 14, etc. Just like Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, etc. We have various versions of SQL Server, 2022 latest, 2019, 17, 16, etc. different versions of SQL Server, different editions of SQL Server, Enterprise, Developer, Express, demo pieces, free, first 3 free. Data Center, Enterprise, Standard, Web and Desktop, other editions. Few of them are paid. We are going to learn when to use which, differences across versions, across editions in our classes. To start our classes from tomorrow, I need to provide you one installation download links today to the interested participants, and installation notes also today. You will download it. Take a print copy of the notes so that we are ready. The print copy is before you tomorrow, before the class. We can happily enjoy learning it concentrated. We need it. Step by step practice. Installation I will take care tomorrow. Today make sure you download the software. I'll provide it on email today. Windows 8 or higher operating system requires 6 gig RAM, please. Minimum 6 gig RAM. If you are using MacBook, please let me know. I shall guide you how to get Windows on top of it. Make sure we have our operating system ready at least by day after tomorrow, so that there is no delay in our practice. Practice is very important for us, please. Next, last item. If you are planning for resume, my complete support for your resume, we can discuss it one-to-one. We can do it. Any further questions, you can reach me on my LinkedIn or my contact number or our team for further questions. To recap once again, what we learned today, we learned what is database. What is database? And types of database. Right? We learned what is database, types of databases. Then we learned like this. We learned what is database first, types of databases, and OLTP and data warehouse link, slide number 10 and 11. We learned something like this. I'll just show. Yes, here it is. OLTP, ETL and data warehouse. From there we have different job roles. We are going to start with SQL Server first, installation. Then slowly step into SQL. Why SQL? To operate on databases. We'll take it slowly, step by step. With this information, once again, to restate the things, I assure you complete practice orientation from scratch, right from the basics. We'll do it slowly, step by step. Need your support. You'll be receiving one introduction notes. Please go through it carefully. It contains information on what we learned today, like what is SQL, what is MSSQL. We'll start from the scratch. That notes includes definitions, what is database, what are the types of database and our job roles. Choose your job role carefully as per your comfort. You're fond of coding, programming, you go for SQL Developer. You are looking for cloud computing, big data, then go for data engineering. Or reports and dashboards, data analyst. Or BI developer if you want to mix engineering and analyst together. And SQL, a platform to communicate with any database. MSSQL, a variant of SQL, a type of SQL for Microsoft SQL databases. From there, we are going to start SQL first, slowly step into MSSQL next. We learn about DBMS and other things slowly, practically with examples. Take a print copy of this for tomorrow's class. I'll provide you one more print copy for tomorrow's class installation today. Please take a print, get ready. We'll get every item explained in the class step by step. I'll provide you some interview questions to start with today. Please try to answer them and submit on email. And every day throughout the course, we'll be having these kind of questions. You'll submit them, get my answers back. Sending you the email now with all information. So total there should be 2 mails, okay? Number 1 would be about installation. Number 2 would be the course introduction, documents, and notes for tomorrow's class, including assignment. I'm sending it now. For now, just install 20. Download, install. Installation part will take it tomorrow anyway. You'll download these 2 softwares today. This will be the first mail. And second mail would be about a print copies that you need to take. Anyone, any questions in the meantime, let me know, please. I'll wait. Yes, anyone, any questions, please let me know, please. I'll wait. Mic with you all. I'll wait for some time. Hemant, Maunika, Nisar, and Ranjit, Navya.
Yes, I.
Tell me.
So the software is free versions or any limited
Yeah,
period will
right
we get
now,
for like a 60,
right
90
now,
days?
free versions. Okay, officially free.
Officially free. Perfect.
Yes,
Okay.
developer edition. There is something called SQL Server Developer Edition, lifelong, officially free from Microsoft.
With the updated version, right?
2022. Yeah, that's the latest one, brother.
2022. Okay.
Latest.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yes, valid, legal, free. Yes. Next question, please.
Sir, yeah, where TBA come into the picture? It comes
The
under
DBA is
SQL
entirely different.
developer or
This is not. This is not for DBAs. Actually, DBA is separate course and separate introduction, separate orientation. There, DBA comes everywhere actually for managing the databases. It's all about management and administration stuff. DBA is a separate course and separate introduction and separate schedule for us. This is for SQL classes required for data analysts, data engineers, and data scientists. Yes. DBA, you may look into the schedules here, brother, on my screen. For in case you are looking for, here it is. 4 different schedules, separate timings altogether for DBA. It comes everywhere: management, maintenance, administration. Next question, please. I'll wait.
Then what about Power BI? Funny. Where are the time slots for the next Power BI?
On my screen, brother, in our website. So you may even contact me or our team, and we got 3 schedules for Power BI separately. Yes.
They
Sai,
both Power
from
BI and
tomorrow
SQL
onward,
will go on correspondingly or one after one?
The timings are different, right? So you can choose whichever time you want actually. Okay.
Okay.
For
Okay.
example, yeah, for example, this is starting next week in a different time. This is after later next week, separate time. From tomorrow, we are starting SQL. Okay, our classes from today is for SQL to start with.
Okay. Okay. But if I want to not to coincide with 2 of them, can I choose?
One at a time. You can do, say, this month you take SQL, next month you take Power BI. It's up to you, not a problem. No issues. Yep.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Sai.
Yeah, see, as long as we love it, as long as we are involving in it, you can ask me, Sai, I want to join Power BI next week or next month. You give me some more exercise on SQL. I'm happy to do it. You got my point now, right?
Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah.
We can, why not? My support always, but make sure like we're practicing on time, and I'm there to provide you extra assignments and all. We can do that way. We'll do.
Okay. Thank you, Sai.
Why into that thing? Next question.
Sai,
Next
Hemant here.
question.
Sai, let's say from tomorrow onward, we are completing all the assessment. Okay. So who will be real time validate that one? And let's say while we are doing some exercise and right that time we are facing any issue. So how can we interact? I mean, is there any timing
WhatsApp and
slots so
email.
we can connect
Call
WhatsApp and
WhatsApp and
email?
email. My personal number I'm giving
Okay.
it to you, right? This one, brother.
Okay. Okay. And
Okay?
and who will be validate this all that answers?
Myself. Myself.
You.
I will.
Oh,
I have to.
okay. Okay.
Others, I cannot expert 100%. So I will. I will. So you'll be sending email to me directly. Okay? You'll reply to the class notes with all those assignments. Okay? Like this, for example, brother, today morning, my 6:15 batch, we did one class for triggers. I gave them all the answers and said mock test tomorrow for everyone until joins group by day after tomorrow until today's class. Like that, 1 hour back, it was 7:15, it was sent. And there you got the assignment also like this. FAQs. It's only questions, not answers, only questions were sent. And
Okay.
requested to
So
submit all the answers.
go.
In the same mail,
I,
they'll reply. Got it?
I
Something
got
like
it.
that. Yeah.
And in class also we can discuss that if we are facing any kind of the challenges, we
Why
can.
not? Why not? I want to have interactive. Interactiveness is
Okay.
required. We'll do. We'll do.
Got it. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, we'll do. See, this is my bread and butter throughout all these years. So it's everything stabilized, everything normalized, everything optimized. Okay, no problem. We'll do slowly. We'll do. Next, we'll go for questions now one by one. Usha Kumari, do you hear me, madam? Please check your mic, please. Usha Kumari. Yeah. Usha Kumari,
Yes,
do you
sir.
hear me? Yes, madam. Like, which course you're actually opting for, madam? Let me know, please. Which course you're opting for? Let me know.
Actually, I thought of going for Power BI, but
Or
I'm not totally. Uh, it's almost 12 years, so I want to refresh everything. That's the reason I want to join SQL as well.
sure. So you have to go for SQL plus Power BI, right? Isn't it? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Surely. After Power BI, madam, if it is really required, then you may need to go for Python also if you're into data analyst job role. If required at that time, if required, okay.
Okay, sure.
If required, okay. Not now anyway. Or if you're going for BI developer, then you need to have data engineering. Any one. Later, you may need to. Yes, it's up to you
Okay,
anyway, as per your resume and consulting plan and other things.
sure, sure.
Next, sure, madam. I'll provide you the complete detailed information for you on email about the curriculum. I'll do.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sure. And Sandeep, which one you're opting for, Sandeep? Which course you're opting for, please, Sandeep?
Yeah, hi, Sai. Good morning. So
Very
myself,
good.
my plan is I'm already working as Azure in a data Azure Data Factory ADF as a ADF developer. But last couple of years I'm not being working as a Azure. But now I'm trying to refresh myself, and before going to Azure, I'm planning to learn in-depth SQL and TSQL concepts. That's why I joined in this class. So I'm listening what is the concepts and all these things. And my next plan is for ADF and Power BI along with the
Okay.
Python.
Okay, you want to go for SQL first, all these 400 queries like a refresher, then Power BI, right? You want to go for Power BI, right? Isn't it?
Yeah, SQL plus Power BI plus ADF along with the Python.
Understood. Understood. Surely, as you wish. Yes, sure. But make sure like we do on-time practice throughout the course, please, Sandeep. My only request. Okay.
Yes.
Sure, we'll do. Sure, Sandeep. And Sulochana, yes, madam. Do you hear me, Sulochana? Please.
Sai, I have one more question here.
Tell me, brother.
Yeah, so in SQL and TSQL, what concepts? Yeah, I see. High level concepts you are showing that. So, are we covering every minute things like operator, logical operators, and
Yeah, yeah.
what are the
Yes.
things like?
Yeah.
Everything we are covering are high level concepts. We are covering whatever the required things for Power BI and Azure we are covering, or everything we are covering as per with respect to the SQL and TSQL.
See, like, let me put this way. In SQL, we have 4 different courses. Whatever is required for data engineer, Power BI, analyst, and engineers will be taking these 400 queries.
Okay.
If you are looking for programming, we have separate 1 month course only for programming. After these 400 queries, only for programming, we have 1 month course again separately.
Okay.
With 2,900 lines of code. This one.
Okay.
It depends. So let's go for SQL first. This is the code I'm talking about for programming, project one, coding part and all.
Yeah,
So,
understood.
yeah, but for now, let's go one by one, right? It should be fine. So whatever, like, are required, like operators, functions, formatting activities, joins, group by, and Excel analytics, part of our classes here. That should be enough for Power BI.
Okay.
And to make it more easier, brother, I'll just put this way. I got your point. Here it is.
Yeah.
Our 400 queries involve all this checklist. I'll give it anyway, a print copy. I'll send it on email anyway for everyone. This is the
Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. So I mean, what you are showing in the class, right? So maybe it's a high level concepts you are showing, right? So I mean, maybe others also having come
Yeah,
some.
actually, what we'll do is, brother, once I get your courses, I need to provide a separate video and PDF that includes explanation of your course. You got my point?
Right. Yeah.
I'll do that way.
Okay.
So I need to provide detailed curriculum. Okay, once I hear from you. For the respective, we'll do.
Yeah,
but this is the 400 queries common checklist anyway. Okay.
Okay. Can you share this one also when you are sending?
Yeah, of course, part of our course. I'll be providing on PDF. I said, right? That includes all this content actually.
Okay. Thank you.
We'll do. Yes. And Sulochana, yes, madam. Do you hear me? Please check your mic.
Yes, I'm looking for a thorough training in SQL and Power BI.
Sure, madam. Sure. Make sure, madam, we are practicing on time throughout the course. Okay, please.
Yes,
That's important for us.
Sure, Sai.
Perfect. Yes, we'll do one by one slowly. Yes. And Satvik, what's your course, please? Satvik, let me know, please.
Yeah, it's SQL and Power BI.
Surely, we'll do. Yeah. And next, Srinivas, what's your course, please? Srinivas, let me know, please.
Yes, that's also. I am also for looking for SQL plus Power BI.
Surely, Srinivas. Surely, we'll do. And Sai Reddy, please check your mic, please, Sai.
Yeah,
Sai.
I'm here. Yeah. So I'm looking for SQL and Azure data engineering.
Sure, madam. Sure, we'll do. Let's start SQL first and then go for data engineering next. We'll do one by one. Sure.
Yeah. Is it like interlinked with Power BI? No, right?
Well, SQL data engineer interlinked. SQL Power BI are interlinked. Data engineer Power BI are also interlinked actually. They are interlinked. But you can do one after the other, madam. Step by step you can do actually. They are interlinked. This one. SQL, data engineer, Power BI. There is a separate certification for all these three together. There is.
Okay.
But you can go one at a time, right? It will be easy for you. Okay.
I just wanted to start from the basic SQL and then I just want to move forward to data engineering.
Later you can think about Power BI, madam. One by one, safe side. You can do that.
Yeah.
Sure. Surely. And Navya, yes, madam. Your course, please, Navya. Please let me know.
Hi, Sai. Actually, I'm looking for the data engineering and Power BI skill.
Okay, you're looking for data in Power BI. You want SQL as well, right? Is it?
Yeah, that's right.
Perfect. We'll do one by one. Then please do in this order, madam. Data engineer first, Power BI next. Why? Because data engineer is backend, Power BI is front end, reporting. It will be easy for you. Data engineer first, Power BI next. It will be easy for you. Better.
Okay.
Fine. And next, Ranjit Dasari. Please take your mic. Ranjit, what course you're opting for, Ranjit? Let me know, please.
Sir, I would like to focus on SQL and TSQL. After my performance, I should move like data analyst or the SQL developer.
Surely, as you wish. Sure, it's up to you. You can do it. Yes. And next, Monica, what's your course you're looking for, madam? Monica. Yeah. Monica, cannot hear you, madam. Hemant, what course you're looking for, please? Hemant, please.
Yeah, so I'm looking for that Azure Data Engineering, SQL, Python, Power BI, and along with that, Snowflake also.
I think we met sometime back last month, right? In person. I think you and your friend came to me, right? I think so. I
Correct.
think.
Me and Deepak, we came together from Pune.
Yeah, you and who else it is?
Deepak.
Oh, okay. Deepak Arihavar.
Yes, yes, I'm Deepak. I'm in the call. Yes, yes, fine.
Got it, Deepak. Got it, Deepak. Surely, surely. We'll do. I think we talked about your course and all, right? Isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, correct.
Got it, brother. Yeah, we'll do. And you said like you're looking for something in our Madhapur office, right? From next month we'll be operating in Madhapur morning time. Okay, can come there.
Definitely. We'll connect Sai after this thing.
Surely, attendees are attending online today, and who are
Okay.
looking for classroom. Amirpet, like I'll be available from 10 a.m. Say 10:30 or 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 a.m. 1:30 p.m. And Madhapur it will be from morning 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. and half an hour commute in between. In case if you're looking for classroom trainings, maybe now or later next month, it's up to you. It's up to you. And others, yes, as usual, live and classroom they go in parallel anyway. Okay, just in case they go in parallel. And next, Monica cannot hear you, madam. Please check your mic, please. Please check it, Monica.
Sai,
In the
this is
meantime,
Satvik. I have a doubt.
Please wait, sir. Please wait. Let me touch base with everyone. Please wait. And Harshita Singh, please check your mic, please. Harshita Singh, please. I'll wait. In the meantime, 2 mails sent to everyone. Please check it, friends. I'll wait, please. In the meantime, 2 mails sent to everyone. Please check it. Harshita, can you hear me, sister? Please check your mic, please. Cannot hear you. Harshita, cannot hear you, madam. Please check your mic. I'll wait. In the meantime, 2 mails sent to everyone, friends. Please check it. One is for the downloads, other one for installation. Please check. I'll wait. And third mail I'll be sending now. That includes third mail I'll be sending now. That includes updated curriculum. I was doing it yesterday. Yeah, I'll provide the updated curriculum for the SQL 400 queries plan. And I need to provide you. Hope you got 2 mails, everyone. Please check it, friends. I'll wait, please. Please check it, friends. I'll wait, please.
Not yet. Waiting for. Yeah. We got.
Got the mail.
Yes.
Sai,
I am sending third mail.
further. Yeah. So how we can get that, let's say if any reason we are not able to attend that class, how can we get that recorded and where we
You'll
can
get
get?
the video anyway. Our team shall call you after the class. They'll provide you all the non-technical things and all. Anyway, they'll provide you. Okay, no issues, sir. We'll do.
Okay.
Our team shall call you, friends, after the class today. Please talk to them regarding all your non-technical questions. Do not miss any class, please. My kind request. If you are missing any class, please let us know in advance. Reasons not required. Okay, reasons not required. Just let us know in advance. 1 minute before the class, enough for us, please, so that it will be easy for us to keep track of the things. Please help me. And just now one mail sent. Please check it, friends. That mail includes the complete checklist activities. Third mail, take a print, PDF and checklist. Please check it, friends. Please check it, everyone. I'll wait. Third mail sent.
Sai, I have a doubt.
Tell me, sir. Tell me.
Yeah. Can you please open the thing you wrote about the names, right? With the names.
Which names? Okay. Got it, sir. 1 minute. Tell me, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, for the beginners, that means who is very new to the this SQL and anything. What you suggest first for the SQL, after SQL? What you suggest, like you suggest Power BI or an data engineer?
For beginners, my first preference, Power BI. For beginners.
Okay, SQL and Power BI.
Exactly, brother. Data analyst job role. Yes, you're right.
Okay, thank you.
Fine, sir. Friends, hope you got the third mail, everyone, please, with the complete checklist activities. Please check it, friends. I'll wait, please. Yes,
yeah, we got
third
it.
mail.
Yeah,
I have
got the third mail also.
Please take print copies of first and third mails. Okay, please do it.
Okay, sir.
Take
Okay.
print copy. And Harshita Singh cannot hear you, madam. Harshita Singh cannot hear you. Monica cannot hear you, madam. Please check your mics, please. Others, hope you received the information. Please check it. Others, hope you received it, right? Yeah. And my GK question, last question from my side, please. How many hours you can practice per day? Minimum 1 hour, everyone, please.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
yes.
can.
Please.
Minimum
Yeah,
1.5 hour. 1 hour.
yeah.
I will
Yes.
make the classes interesting. Let's learn them like a chemistry class, not like a history class. What do you say? Please. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir. We
I
can.
have
There is difference, right? There is a
the
difference, isn't
email time.
it? History is different. Chemistry is different. Let's learn like chemistry. We need the gel, we need like what, how, when, and how to get the things together. Database is like your human body. Really, database is like our body, our human body. And just like our body has multiple spare parts working together, database also has multiple spare parts working together. Remember, we need to enjoy that biology and chemistry carefully. That is important. I am there. Thank you. Have a nice time. Meeting from tomorrow to start from the scratch, slowly, step by step. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.
I haven't received the third email.
I'll resend it again, sister. Not an issue, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, friends. Have a nice time. Meeting from tomorrow. Any more questions? Please let me know. I'll stay back.